Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. We're now offering our Sanctum wireless charging console lid upgrade for the 2019 and up new body Ram trucks. Our Sanctum wireless charging system gets fully integrated into your factory console lid, eliminating the need for any extra cables and bulky dash-mounted phone chargers. This system features a magnetic, QI-compatible charging pad with a hard ridge around the edges to keep your phone in place. You can select your leather, stitching, and trim ring color to match your vehicle. The charging tray is available in multiple sizes to accommodate most phones. If your phone's outside of our standard or XL dimensions, be sure to give us a call as we may have additional options. We're currently offering this upgrade as a send-in service, and we'll email you a prepaid shipping label to send us your lid. All you'll need to remove your lid is a pry tool and a T20 Torx bit. Your lid will arrive ready for you to bolt back into the vehicle and includes a hardwire adapter so you can tap into the truck's 12-volt power behind the console. I wanted to give a shout out to Chad over at Snap Autos for dropping off this Ram for the wireless charging upgrade. If you're in the Oklahoma City or Tulsa area, Snap Autos can help you sell your car for the most amount of money in the least amount of time. Be sure to check out snapautos.com for more info. If you have any questions about our Sanctum wireless charging upgrade, feel free to give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT or email us at sales@LeatherSeats.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.